Good evening, fire signs. This is the reading for next week. This is all for all three fire signs, a combined reading. Okay, let's start with the first card. The energy for the next week would be the energy of appreciation. Whatever you have, you'll appreciate whatever you have achieved in your life, and whatever, even the smallest thing that you have, like you can see, uh, like even if you have a rose in your hand, you'll appreciate that whatever you get or whatever you have achieved, you'll be very appreciative and thankful for the things that you have in your life. Again, in your personal life, you believe in sharing, and also you believe that you care for everyone and you show your emotions, and there's a lot of energy of caring for everything, caring for the people, for the animals. So that would be the emotion that is coming. You have, I guess, this is the heart chakra also, the caring part, and uh, also being there for your loved ones or people around you, even the animals and everybody. So you'll be in a very like very appreciative as well as caring. You'll be feeling like you care for everyone, and also you will be very caring and appreciating your own self also, that the things that you have. And also you will receive the kind of maybe also the kind of the feelings that you give, and also you will receive them back. That could be both ways also. Now I also see a lot of happiness in the next week. You can see the card, which is the sun card also. A lot of happiness, a lot of things that make you happy, as well as the things that you would like to do also. A lot of happiness, giving happiness around. That what I would say. And finally, I love my home and my home loves me. So you'll be very happy with also um, the things, like in your the home that you have. Like the house is a place, but the home where you feel very appreciative and you care and you have the caring. So all these things will be coming in the next week for you. I think it's a very pleasant week for you. A lot of happy things, and also मुझे ऐसा लगता है you'll be very appreciative and the energies will be very positive for you in the next week. So let me know how it resonates with you. I also give personal or private readings. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the chat box. These are paid readings. So let me know about next week. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.